Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Boy Ghost GG, and today we are going to be reacting to something a little different. We are reacting to 3 ways to destroy the universe, a video by a very informational YouTuber with a name I cannot pronounce, Kurz Kurzgescott. Kurzgescott. I'm gonna go with Kurzgescott. He is a informational YouTuber with many videos on science, space, biology, the human body, futurism, like a bunch of videos that I love to watch. I haven't specifically watched any of his videos though, but the concepts I've watched other videos of. But this guy has everything that I like in one spot. So I'm going to be reacting to quite a bit of his videos, starting with 3 ways to destroy the universe. Let's get right into it.
One day
it
the
is loud.
universe will die. But why and how?
That's
And
sad.
will the universe be dead forever?
Nah,
and
we
how
don't
do
gotta
we
worry
know
about
that?
it. It's gonna die like in a million years or something.
First of all, the universe is expanding. And not only that,
Yep.
the rate of its expansion is accelerating. The reason? Dark energy. Dark energy is a strange phenomenon that scientists believe permeates the universe. Until 1998, we thought that the universe must work a bit like a ball that you throw into the sky. The ball moves up, but at some point it has to come down again.
And good old gravity.
But the expansion of the universe is actually speeding up. That's like throwing a ball up and watching it fly away faster and faster and faster. Where is this acceleration coming from? Well, we don't know, but we call it dark energy. Einstein thought of it first and then decided it was stupid. Now, astrophysicists have decided it is plausible.
Okay.
Trouble is, this is all very theoretical, and we don't actually know what the properties of
Good old
dark energy
theoretical
are.
physicists.
But there are various theories, and they
Theoretical
lead us to 3
physics. I can't
scenarios
talk
for the
today.
end of the universe.
Big rip. All right. 3 ways the universe will die. Let's go.
1. The Big Rip. Since its birth, the universe has been expanding. For unknown reasons, new space is created everywhere equally. The space between galaxies expands, so they move apart. The space inside galaxies also expands, but here gravity is strong enough to keep them together. In the Big Rip scenario, the expansion accelerates up to a point where space expands so fast that gravity can't compensate for this effect anymore. The result is a Big Rip. At
Ripping it
first,
right down the
only
middle, huh?
large structures like galaxies are torn apart since space between the single objects expands very fast. Next, big bodies like black holes, stars, and planets die. Their gravity isn't strong enough to keep them together, so they dissolve into their components. In the end, space would expand faster than the speed of light. Atoms would now be affected, and they would just disband. Once space is expanding faster than light, no particle in the universe can interact with any other particle anymore. The universe would dissolve into countless lonely particles that won't be able to touch anything else in a strange, timeless universe.
They wouldn't be able to collide. Oh.
And you thought you felt lonely.
Huh.
2.
Collision is
Heat
what
death,
brings
or a big freeze.
elements together and
In a
like
nutshell,
essentially
the difference
attach
between
if
the
they
Big
can.
Rip and heat death is that in a heat death scenario, matter stays intact and is converted over an incredibly long but finite period of time into radiation while the universe expands forever. But how does this work? Let's talk about entropy. Every system tends towards the state of highest entropy.
Hear this crap in
Like when
chemistry.
we have a latte macchiato. Initially, it has different regions, but over time they will cool down and disintegrate until it's uniform. And this also applies to the universe. So while the universe gets bigger and bigger, matter slowly decays and spreads out. At some point, after lots of generations of stars, all the gas clouds necessary to form stars will be exhausted, so the universe will turn dark. The remaining suns will die. Black holes will slowly degenerate and evaporate over trillions of years due to what's known as Hawking radiation. When this process is complete, only a dilute gas of photons and light particles remains until even this decays.
Wow.
All activity in the universe ceases at this point.
But again,
Entropy
trillions
is at
of
its
years.
maximum, and the universe is dead forever.
I don't gotta worry about it.
Unless Theoretically, it might be possible that after an incredibly long amount of time, there might be a spontaneous entropy decrease as a result of something called quantum tunneling, leading to a new Big Bang.
Wow.
3. Big Crunch and Big Bounce. This is the most uplifting scenario. If there is less dark energy than we think, or it decreases over time, gravity will be the dominating force in the universe one day.
Oh.
In a few trillion years, the rate of expansion of the universe will slow down and stop. After that, it reverses. Galaxies will race at each other, merging as the universe becomes smaller and smaller.
Wow.
Since a smaller universe also means a hotter universe,
Yeah.
temperatures rise everywhere all at once. 100,000 years before the Big Crunch, background radiation would be hotter than the surfaces of most stars, which means that they would be cooked from the outside. Minutes before the Big Crunch happens, atom cores are ripped apart before supermassive black holes devour everything. Finally, all black holes would merge into a supermassive mega black hole that contains the entire mass of the universe, and in the last moment before the Big Crunch, it would devour the universe, including itself. The
Wow.
Big Bounce theory states that this has happened a lot of times and that the universe goes through an infinite cycle of
Oh.
expansion and contraction. Well, wouldn't that be nice?
It's a
So
process.
what will actually happen
It's
to the
been
universe in
happening.
the end?
At least it's-
At the
some
moment,
people think.
heat death seems the most likely. But we at
Ouch.
Kurzgesagt hope that this dead forever stuff is wrong, and the universe will start over and over again. We don't know
Kurzgesagt.
for sure either way,
I did pronounce it right.
so
there.
let's just assume the most uplifting theory is true.
That was interesting.
By the way,
So,
we have a Twitter account.
you mean X account? Twitter dead, baby. That's interesting. So, 3 ways the universe can die. 1, dark energy. Or dark energy. It continues the expansion of the universe. Gravity keeps going and going and going, eventually ripping it apart. So the gravity going in either direction, ripping it apart. Second one, increase of heat. Essentially, heat increases exponentially and just devours everything. And then as he said, uplifting one is the Big Crunch, which is eventually dark energy will stop or get lower, and gravity will become the most what's it called, the most prevalent force. And then when it eventually it'll reach a point where it'll stop expanding the universe and start going backwards, eventually swallowing everything, going smaller and smaller and smaller until boom, crunch, everything gone. That one does seem a little bit more uplifting because there's a theory that's been happening and that's just what happens. But all of them are pretty shit. The universe ending, as he said, maybe there would be another Big Bang eventually and another universe created and more life, and who knows? Nothing I got to worry about. That's for damn sure. The trillions of years from now, they'll worry about it. I'll be chilling and I'll be up from the simulation doing whatever else, you know. But yeah, that is all. That's a quick reaction, nothing crazy. This is the first time I'm reacting to something from Kurzgesagt, and it's very interesting. I can't wait to watch even more videos and different topics. So yeah, subscribe, like, keep the notifications on, and you'll see another science. Let's call them science videos, science video reactions later on. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.